How are we interacting with the future of TV? Can we balance wellness with screen time? Does TV still bring us together? Let's explore how the future of TV can be both innovative and interactive. Even after 100 years, we still love TV. Why? Because it keeps us company, we enjoy it together, and it offers comfort and companionship. What if TV could also give us clarity, control, and playful participation? Who we're designing for. Our users fall into 3 groups: comfort seekers who see TV as safe background, multitaskers who look away and need gentle catch-up, and playful families who want lightweight co-play. Our design goal is to respect comfort, help rejoin, and allow tiny, optional fun. TV isn't just TV anymore. Today, TV means more than channels. Connected TVs include smart devices, apps like Netflix, and even gaming consoles. Younger generations watch less linear TV, while boomers are slowly catching up. What's the market telling us? The numbers show it clearly. Traditional TV spend is declining, while connected TV is growing fast. By 2025, US adults will spend over 131 minutes a day on connected TV, second only to mobile. From screen time to me time. Can our TV time become care time? Imagine using TV moments to move, eat well, connect, practice mindfulness, or stay curious through learning and play. What fits you today? Not every day feels the same. Some days we just want to chill. Other days, we want to catch up, play along, exercise, or even build something custom. How it all works, at a glance. Here's the flow at a glance. The experience begins with how you feel, then guides you through simple choices that match your mood to the right type of content. It's a voice-guided, choice-led journey, taking you smoothly from feeling to viewing with Bixby. See it in action. Now let's see it in action. This rapid prototype demonstrates how mood matching could work on connected TVs. It's both voice-guided and choice-led, moving seamlessly from how you feel to what you watch. Introducing a new way of experiencing how your moods shape moments, and moments lead to rewards. Bixby now listens deeper, guiding your evening with what you need, right when you need it.
Bixby, what's this upgrade you have?
Hi Jane, I've just upgraded with a new feature, Bixby Mood Assistant Beta. I've scanned today's program, so how are you feeling tonight? Like to try it out? Here we have chill, cozy vibes, no prompts. Update, catch up on news and trends. Play, quick games for fun. Exercise. Let's get you moving for 10 minutes?
Okay, sure, why not?
Let's do 10 minutes of exercise. Tell me what you'd like to do, Kat. We can start right away.
Okay, whatever is cool, let's do 10 minutes.
Great job, you're doing amazing. Do this 5 times a week and you'll get goodies from us.
Sure, see if I get there.
Why this matters. For people, TV becomes well-being, not just escape. For the brand, we build loyalty through emotional connection. For the business, we gain engagement data and insights into mood and behavior. Next steps. To wrap up, our next steps are clear. We'll test with over 50 users, explore partnerships with wellness brands, and measure mood-based interaction data, all feeding into the next prototype loop.